Oh dango, I'm in a new spot today. I haven't got oysters here since last year, and I never got them off of this log. Seen them growing here. Let's get in and get them. They're right on too. Wow, this is beautiful, beautiful. Wow. I thought they'd be up because I knew that they were in this area. Look at this. 25 feet full. Hey, there's some more back here starting up too. Look, I was going on to a log further over. I didn't expect this. I mean, I thought they'd be here, but wow. Let's get a few of these before somebody sees us. These are going to be ripe in another day or two. I'll take these bigger ones and some of these over here. All right. I might as well get a little visual shot of what's going on. Wow. All the way down to there. There. The mouth out. I saw a shroomer leaving the parking lot the other day. They didn't see me, but she's probably coming down today. Well, I'm going to leave you some, don't worry. Golden oysters. Don't worry, I'm going to leave you some if you can come down. I know she's been checking out the area. Wow, I'll take this here. I'll leave the rest for you. Hey, look at this big mound I left you. And all these babies are going to come up. They're still small. If it's you. I should just be quiet now. Got my finger on that one. That was a bad angle. Okay. Put something on it when we get back to the car. Let's continue. Oh, they already cut this off. Yeah, they already cut it. Okay. before that. Alright, well, yeah, I paid for this. Okay, well, we got a nice size tree bag here. These are gonna go. These are getting too wet, they're gonna go, so. Well, that's how it happens, huh? These here, how are these gonna, these are going to, we'll watch those. I'm gonna go to another spot now. I'm glad this thing stopped bleeding. It's not the right knife to use. Well, these are going to be excellent by tomorrow and the next day. Let's move on. As you can see, we left plenty. Now I'm going to go to another spot.